When Scipio Africanus defeated Carthage, he didn't just win, he dismantled the culture, enslaved the women and children, killed off all of the men, salted the earth so nothing would ever grow again. I have experienced something similar, a systemic salting, making sure that I can never live again. The destruction of my career, reputation, family, my soul, by a bureaucracy that fear my competence. Below is an analysis of my memorial, my memoir, my book that talk of a life that I lost. Part 1. The event horizon. The 9/11 moment. The incident, May 28, 2013. The meeting at Le Meridien, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Just as 9/11 shattered the illusion of American invulnerability, this meeting shattered the illusion of my democracy, my meritocracy, my integrity first, my airman creed, my everything. I walked in a diplomat. I walked out a Chinese spy, and not knowing why. The ambush. I expected a meeting to address my whistleblowing and complaints against the toxic leadership, the stealing, the bullying, the harassment, the humiliation, the sabotage of mission, the damage to national capacity. Instead, I was met by a fault-finding mission designed to discredit me. The accusation? They weaponized my ethnicity, my competency. They asked about my contact. They asked about my knowledge of travel protocol. Everything I did was now twisted. The extradition. Like a high-value target, they had 3 senior leadership came to escort me back to the US, stripped me of my access to work. My clearance revoked. The boss even wanted to place guard outside my home so I cannot move anywhere. Fortunately, the Chiang Mai consulate general at the time thought that was ridiculous, so he did not agree to putting men to guard my fucking door. The psychological shock. This was the moment the floor dissolved. I realized the institution I had served, the US Air Force, AFTAC, was not ruled by laws, but by stupid white people. This is what Sergeant Sutton said when I filed a complaint to him directly to stop touching me. It's not welcome. He had it all stand at attention the next morning in service uniform. He gave us a speech about how this is not a democracy. This is a kingdom of 5, his kingdom. We need to respect his rank. He gets to say what he wants, do what he wants, and we just have to deal with it. That was a speech. And there is a lot, and to be continued.